Once in a while, you always treat yourself to some delicious ice cream. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make ice cream from scratch, and you're going to be making Oreo ice cream, which is going to turn out creamy, filled with delicious Oreo cookies, and the flavor is going to be so good. For the recipe, you'll need a hand mixer, whipping cream, condensed milk, and your Oreos. Now, you're going to start off by smashing up your Oreos. You're going to use anything heavy and smash up your Oreos until they're broken up into little pieces. Then into a mixing bowl, you're going to add in some chilled whipping cream, and using your hand mixer, you're going to whip up for around 2 to 4 minutes until stiff peaks. When done whipping up the cream, you're going to add in condensed milk. Get all the condensed milk in the bowl, then I'm going to fold using my spatula until it's fully combined with the whipping cream. And the condensed milk is going to add in sweetness to the Oreo ice cream. Lastly, I'm going to add in my Oreos in the bowl. As you can see, we have big chunks and small chunks of Oreo cookies, which is going to make the ice cream to have a very nice texture. Lastly, I'll use my spatula and mix in the Oreos into the whipping cream. And just look at that color, absolutely love. Scrape the bottom of the bowl to make sure all the Oreo is fully combined. And lastly, I'm going to transfer my ice cream into a airtight container. Pick my bowl, transfer in the ice cream. Sprinkle with a little bit of Oreo on top, just like this. And once done, you're going to cover your container with your lid, or you can cover with cling film and freeze overnight. And if you don't have time, freeze for at least 6 hours so that the ice cream can set. Let me tell you, this ice cream is going to be so delicious. This is the next day and my Oreo ice cream is set. And just look how gorgeous the ice cream is looking. You're going to use an ice cream scoop and serve your ice cream. My Oreo ice cream is perfectly set, and I've added in some extra Oreo cookies, which I've added in some color, and also the presentation is just looking perfect. So this is a very nice way that you can enjoy some delicious ice cream at the comfort of your home, because the ice cream is creamy and filled with delicious Oreo cookies. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.